Teaching sit. Show your dog that you have a treat and bring it closely under his nose. Lift your hand up and above his head, high enough that it is out of reach so your dog does not jump up. By luring your dog's head upwards, this should make his bottom go down. When his bottom hits the floor, mark yes and reward with a food treat.
Yes. Good boy. Yes. Yes.
Once your dog is sitting reliably each time, and you can safely predict that your dog will go into the sit position, you can start to add the cue sit when you lure your dog. Mark yes when his bottom hits the floor and deliver a food treat.
Sit. Yes. Sit.